The webinar is now live. Uh, I've shared the hosting rights with Aditya. Done.
Great. Thank you, Ritesh. Aditya, you can take this, start the session now.
Okay, fine. I will take it from here. Thank you. Welcome back to the NASCOM Salesforce Career Recharge Program, Cohort 3 for Salesforce Administrator. I hope all of you are doing well and are enjoying the sessions as well. And you are learning something new every other session. Okay. So for today, the agenda is to do the Lightning App Builder module. I'll just type in the name of the module also in the chat box, so you can just have it from there. Lightning App Builder. So we'll start with this module for the day. But right now I'm having quite less participants, so I will be just waiting for 5 more minutes. Let's see how many participants can join. Then after that, otherwise we'll just move forward with the Lightning App Builder module. In the meantime, you guys can explore the module, what are the contents and everything, and then we'll take it forward. Okay. So everyone, please start exploring Lightning App Builder module. Okay, also, I'm allowing all of you to talk. If anyone wants to talk or say something, you are free to do so. Okay, so it's been 11 minutes since we started the session, but there are not a lot of participants. I don't know why, but whatsoever. So let's start with Lightning App Builder today. I will just give you a good overview of everything, and then you can just keep doing the things on your part, like doing the labs, and you can ask whatever doubts you can encounter in the process. Okay. So let's start with that. Kindly confirm, can you see my screen or not? Is my screen visible to you or not? Kindly confirm that.
Yes, Aditya, we can see.
Thank you. So this is the model that we are going to cover today. That's your Lightning App Builder. So basically, this is a tool available on the Salesforce platform through which we kind of create all the app pages. We specifically don't create apps here in the Lightning App Builder. What we create here is mostly the app pages, like the home page or the app page or any record page, whatever we want to have for our Salesforce environment. That's what we are going to create here in the Lightning App Builder part. So let me just open my playground, any playground of mine, and I will just demonstrate a few things over there to you. Let's open this tab Catalyst. I think this will be having some resources. Kindly ignore the noises in the background. Today I'm at my home, so there could be some noises all around. So please ignore that. Okay. So here we are in the playground. So let's go to setup. And in the quick find box, let's search for Lightning App Builder. So here I am in the Lightning App Builder page. Okay, I am not having too much of resources here. Anyway, that's fine. So this is the Lightning App Builder interface. First of all, if I what I need to do that I need to create a new page. As I said, it's not an tool to create a new application. It's a tool to create pages for an application, whatever application we have built. Okay. So let's click on new, and then we'll be into the Lightning App Builder page. So what we can create with Lightning App Builder, we can create these three kinds of pages: app page, home page, and record page. So app page is basically your any screen. For example, if I go to the front end and let me open the Dreamhouse app. The Dreamhouse app is not here. Okay. And let me open a new playground, some other playground that would have been better. Because I am having a lot of playgrounds. I have done some things in some playgrounds, something in another. So that gets kind of messy for me sometimes. Particular playground, I am in the Dreamhouse app. So in the Dreamhouse app, you can see several tabs over there at the top. And the first one is your home. That's your home page that we are having. Let me get to that page again. Lightning App Builder. New. So you can see there are three kind of pages that we can create through Lightning App Builder: app page, home page, and record page. So here, the very first page, whatever you will see on opening any app, either it's a Dreamhouse app or Sales app or properties or anything else, the very first page that you'll be seeing will be termed as the home page. Okay, so I think that doesn't need much more explanation. That's your home page. Just after that, the other pages that you can see, like this Property Explorer or Property Finder, these pages are called app pages. Okay. After that, you can see some objects, whatever has been included in this particular app, like contacts, properties, and all. Now, if I go to contacts and if I'm opening this contact, now this page that I'm getting after opening the contact, this page will be called the record page. So these are the three pages that we can create through Lightning App Builder. First one is your home page, second app page, and then the third one will be your record page. Okay, and the functionality for all the things will slightly vary a little bit in all the aspects. Okay, rest the creation method will be same. It's just that for the app page we'll be having a little more options than the home page and record page. That's it, nothing more. Okay, so just have a quick go through of that. Also, if you'll select these pages here, as you can see, if I am selecting app page, I'm getting both the mobile and the desktop icon on the left hand side, or sorry, right hand side. That indicates that the app page can be created for both the mobile versions on the desktop versions as well. Whereas the home page can only be created for the desktop version. Home page is not available for the mobile version. Okay. And similarly for the record page, it can also be created for both mobile and desktop versions. So let's start with the home page. So click on home page, then let's click on next. We need to provide a label, so let's provide anything right now. I'm just saying sample. Next. Now it's asking for the page template, that what kind of page template I want, like the division, how many panels and everything I want on my page. So you can see there are several options available here. Header and three regions, home template, one region, home template, one region. Then we are having standard home page, which is having 4 layers, one at the top left, then a vertical one at the right, then two small at the bottom on the left side. So we can have several. Also, if I want, if I can also create some custom components of my own if I want through the Visual Force components and all. And those things will also can be visible here. Although I have not created anything, so that's why it's not visible here. Apart from that, if I want to clone any default homepage that's available by the default in the Salesforce environment, I can just click on clone Salesforce default homepage and I can clone that as well. So right now, let's select the standard homepage only, then click on done. As soon as you'll click on done, we'll end up on this page, which is the Lightning App Builder interface, as you can see. So here you can, on the right hand side, you can see a components pane in which you can see several components available like assistant, chatter, then your dashboard, flow, a lot of things are there. Whatever you want to use, you can just drag and drop that thing in your canvas. That's your drawing screen. That's we call as canvas. And just drop that here. Okay. And those things will be available here. Also in front of all the components, you can see an icon is given, like that indicate that whether this component is available for only desktop or only mobile or whatsoever. So whenever you are configuring the thing, you can just select the things accordingly. Okay, so that's your right hand pane. Then this is the in the middle part, you can see the canvas screen. And on the right hand side, you can see the properties pane. Like whatever thing we will select here, you can see that properties here. Like right now I have selected the empty page. So it's just showing me the page property, that label, API name, and all the things. The template, if I want to change, I can do that. I want to provide any description, I can do that. Now, if I click on this particular thing, that's the component that I have added on the page right now. That's a chatter publisher component. That details are given here, like type global. If I want to change that, I can do that, and all the things. Okay. Apart from that, here on the top, you can see the pages icon. Like if I want to switch from one page to another, I can just switch from here, or I want to create a new page, or I want to open some page and do that here. Next, you can see the name. Also, you can see here right now it's only showing desktop because I have selected home page. But if I would have selected app page or record page, it would have shown desktop, mobile, tablet options. Okay. Whether it's linked to view and 100%, so that's just the viewing angle. Whatever you want, you can do that. Okay. So let's do some things here first, and then we'll discuss the rest of the things. So let's just add another tab. Let's say, let me just add a tab component for you. So I'm adding a tab component here. Now, as you can see, the tab will look like something like this, chatter, dashboard, and all. Now, if I want to change anything, I just need to go to the property tab here and I can change the things. Like I don't want chatter to be over there. I want something else. Let's say activity. So I can just select activity. I can click done. Now that thing will be changed over there. Additionally, if I want to add a new other tab, I can click on add tab. A new tab got added. Now it's coming as details. I don't want details. I want some custom name, let's say. So I can just select custom at the top. I can provide the name, more details, and then done. So that tab would have been added. Now it will function like this, something like this. See, this is the tab component where you can just switch from related to details like that. Okay, so obviously this tab will contain something inside that as well. So for that, let's say like I have say given activity tab. So let's just drag and drop the activities component inside it. If there is nothing called activity, so nothing to worry. I can just delete. Let's say I've been given recent items. So that thing came up. Now, if I want to change the name or anything, I can do that from the label part. Just go here. I can edit the things, whatever I want. Now, for what thing I want the recent items for? Let's say like I want for the contact object or some, let's say account object whatsoever. I can select that object here also. Let's say I want for account. I don't want for API anomaly event store. So I can just switch that here like that. And it's right now showing recent item 0 because I have not configured anything. Okay. Number of records to display and everything we can provide here. Okay. Further, if I want a specific component to be visible to a specific set of audience only, then what I can do, I can add a filter for that. For example, I want this chatter to be visible to, let's say, only those person who, let's say, will be having username something. Okay. Let's say you active users only can see it. So I can just give user active, done, equal value true, whichever user will be active, done. Now only the active users will be able to see this particular component now. Also, whenever you will be applying a filter, you can see a eye icon over there on the a specific component or the field that will indicate that this particular field has a filter added to it. I can add multiple filters too. And also I can select that when this filter will be applicable like that. Okay. So those are some of the things. Let me just save this tab and let me show you one more thing. Now, saving it will just save the thing temporarily in your internal infrastructure, you can say internal management thing. But if you want that particular page to be visible for a certain app, let's say, then you need to activate that. Okay. So let's say if I want this page to activate it for the Dreamhouse app homepage here. So what I can do, I can click on activate and this is the activation screen. Now for the activation part, we are having three things: org default, app default, and app and profile for the home page. Okay. So if I want this particular page to be displayed for the complete org, like when I was loads the orgs like that, and click assign default, assign as org default. Or let's say I want this to be visible only for Dreamhouse that I wanted. So I can just select app default, I can click on assign to apps, and I can select whatever app I want it to be displayed for. Let's say Dreamhouse, so Dreamhouse, next. Okay, right now I'm canceling it because I want to display one more thing. Like I want this app to be displayed for a specific app and even though for a specific profile only, that also I can do. I can click on assign to apps and profiles. Firstly, I need to select the app. In this case, I'm selecting Dreamhouse. Next, now what profile I want this particular app to be homepage to be displayed for. So let's say I'm saying the system administrator. Next, it's asking to review, so it's fine. Save. Now the it says activation successful. Now if I will go to my Dreamhouse app and if I will refresh this page, in a minute or two, a new page will be displayed. Okay, it's displayed now. See. So now my recently created new home page is displayed in the Dreamhouse app. Okay, so this is how the Lightning App Builder works. Right now I have shown you to create a home page. Okay, you can create a record page and app pages too. So at that point, we'll discuss it a little more. Okay. First of all, any questions till this point? Did you guys understood the basic overview of a lightning weight app builder, how you can use this and all that part, basic navigation and everything?
Yes, sir. So I understood. I have one question.
Yes.
The question is when we should go for app or record. So how do we decide whether we should go with app or a record?
You mean whether we should create a app page or a record page?
Yeah.
Okay. So as I said, all these three pages have different uses. Okay. So let's say if you want to have create a page to show the details of a particular record, as I said, like if I am going here, I'm opening properties, let's say now, and if I want this particular property this record page like this, I have opened this property contemporary luxury, and I don't want like this look how this record page is being displayed, and I want to change it. I don't want this, let's say this map icon or something like that. Then I can do that for the record page. Rest, if I don't, I'm not working for any specific object. Okay, I just want to create a app page directly, let's say like kind of a dashboard and all. Okay, for that I can use the app page like this one. This is the property finder app. It is not connected with any object. It's just a app page which is having certain things like QR code finder. There is a title tab, there's a map and everything. Okay, so this will be your app page. And home page again,
So,
as I said, it will be the basic entry level page whenever you want to create.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
every
understood, sir.
every page is having their separate features. So
Yeah.
don't nothing to be confused on that.
Yeah. So, yeah, I got it, sir. Record page is only going to a specific record, not
Correct.
a high level.
Specific
It's a
records for a
specific record.
particular object.
Yeah, got it. Got it,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else having any question relating to the navigation and all? Okay, one thing I missed here that you can see the in the components pane we are having standard components right now. Apart from that, we are also having custom and custom managed. Okay, so standard is something like that what Salesforce is giving you by default. Rest, if I want, I can create my own components through like let's say CSS, Java, PHP, whatever language I want. I can create some components with HTML or whatsoever, and I can install those components in my Lightning app builder, okay, or my playground. And then those particular custom components will be visible here in the custom tab, and I can use them directly in my interface. And then lastly, the custom managed is something that you can get from the app exchange, that the Salesforce app marketplace. Okay, so if you are installing something from there, you can have that in the custom managed part. Okay, so there are a lot of options available to design your page. By the way, do you guys know that how what the Facebook used initially to develop their website?
No idea, sir.
Okay, how many of you have used Facebook? Yeah, I'm having 5 or 6 participants, I believe. Okay, no, I'm having 10. Great. So, how many of you have used Facebook? Raise your hands. Whoever have used Facebook ever. If I'm having Gen Z audience like the people born after 2000 and all, then most probably you would have spent more time on Instagram rather than Facebook. Okay, I'm having two hands raised. Okay. Anyway, so if you'll go to Facebook, let me take you through. Although my ID will be visible, if it would have been logged in, I don't know. I checked. Okay, it's not visible. Anyways, uh, so if you see the Facebook interface, let me just show you. You can just do a Google search. Facebook. Timeline. It's not showing what I wanted to display to you. Okay, see this particular image. This is how the Facebook looks like in general. And if you'll see this interface, and right now it has been much more updated. But if someone would have used Facebook in its initial days, like in 2010, 12, something like that, then the whole Facebook and application, the website and everything has been developed on Salesforce itself. So whoever have used Facebook on that time, they can directly see the like the see resemblance in the sales Facebook website on this playground look. Everything will be like looking the same. Instead of this, this will be a home tab. After that, there will be messaging, timeline, and something like that. In the right hand side, you can get the chatter box and all that you can get. So that's how Facebook initially boosted their things by doing everything on the Salesforce infrastructure. See, this is how it is used to like. This is a chatter feed that you have here in this applications of ours. Well, go to chatter application, you can see that. Okay, I don't know why it's the app launcher is not working. Anyways, we'll just refresh the page. So this is a Salesforce chatter app that has been integrated into Facebook. So this is how the Facebook used to look. See, timeline thing, post, poll, question, you can share your views and everything in the post. You want to have a poll, there's a question, everything. You can do that, all that part. This is how the Facebook has developed in initial days. Anyway, that was just a trivia, nothing more. Just a usage of Salesforce in your daily lives. Additionally, if you any one of you have been using HDFC Bank internet banking services, then that infrastructure has also been developed on Salesforce itself, and Citibank too. They are the major clients of Salesforce. So there are huge things that is happening around in the Salesforce environment. Anyways, so any questions regarding Lightning App Builder? Anyone? Anything that you wanted to ask regarding the navigation and interface? Anyone? If you are good, please raise your hand and let me know if you understood the thing. Okay, I am seeing only one hand raised of Venkata. What about others? Lalithya, Guru Kiran, Prasanna, Amita. What about you guys? You understood the navigation and Lightning App Builder things to a certain extent or not? Okay, fine. Venkata, you can lower down your hand. That's fine. Okay. So anyway, so that's about some bit of introduction of the Lightning App Builder. Rest, you are having all the instructions and everything. Just try to create the home page and all the pages. After half an hour, after some time, when you are done with home page and record page, let me know when you will start with the dynamic forms. That's something that I needed to explain a bit more. And rest you can just carry on. Whatever doubts you have, if you are having any problems in any specific part, let me know. I will just answer that things. Okay. So you can carry on. You are free to unmute yourself and speak up if you want. Okay. At any point, if you want to ask any question, just unmute yourself and you can speak. Everyone, please carry on and let me know if you have any doubt.
So we can use the same playground, right?
Yes, yes, you can use the same playground. Nothing to worry about.
Okay, sir. Thank
May I know when have you registered for the program? Like on which date you have registered for the program, please? Because today we are having our fifth session, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we are having our fifth session today. Okay, he or she left.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, good evening, sir. I'm Lalitya.
Nitya, please go ahead. Tell me.
Sir, actually, I have missed all my previous three sessions. So today is my first class, but I don't know the process, how to access the modules, which module should I complete and deadlines, everything. Can you please guide me, sir?
Sure. Okay, but just for knowledge, how many of you are like attending their first class today? I got two, Harshvardhani and Lalitya, and there was one more, and Bhagya. He or she, I don't know. He is not here by the way right now. Okay, two, three persons. Okay, fine. I'll just share my screen and we'll let you show you the details. No worries. Or whoever is attending the session for the very first day. So this is the trail mix, basically the course that we are following, Salesforce Administrator Explorer, which is curated by Santosh Ravello. Santosh Ravello. Okay, so this is the trail mix we are doing, and we have done nearly all these modules, whatever you are seeing in the top. And today we are doing the Lightning App Builder module. Okay, I'm sharing the link for the trail mix in the chat box, so you can have it from there. Okay. I believe that if you have you all have registered for the program, then you all have a account on the Trailhead platform and the Future Skills Prime website as well. So, so you can just have that. Okay. And today we are doing Lightning App Builder module. So you just need to finish all these modules one by one. You need to go through each module and complete that. For today, let's focus on the Lightning App Builder module. Rest you can do in your later time. And for the missed classes that you have missed, you can go to the YouTube channel of Future Skills Prime, and over there go to the live section, And in that, you can find all the recordings for all the sessions, whatever have been carried out till now for cohort 3, cohort 2, cohort 1, everything is there. You can just go through the recordings and can get yourself updated on the same. Okay. And please make sure before the next class, you get yourself updated till this part. If you have any doubts, you can connect with us in the Telegram group. Are you guys there in the Telegram group? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then great. Then you can, whatever doubts you might have, you can post in the Telegram group. Whatever I will be answering over there. Okay. So make sure, but before the next class, you get yourself updated till this part at least. Okay.
Sir, this Zoom meeting is for cohort 3.
Yeah, it's for cohort 3 for Salesforce administrator.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. part, the third part, build a custom record page or lightning experience in Salesforce mobile app. Have you guys completed till this point? If you have completed, raise your hand. Yeah, I'm getting the response only from Venkat. I don't know what are others doing. Others, I'm Amita, Lalitya, Harshvardhani, Guru Kiran. Kindly update in the chat box whatever you guys are doing right now. Like whatever part you are doing in the Lightning App Builder, kindly update that in the chat box, please. Amita, Lalitya, Harshvardhani, please update. Okay, Venkat, you do one thing. You please carry on with the next part. In the next part, I'm just explaining it in a brief manner, in orally only. I think by screen sharing and all. So in the next part, you will be having a dynamic forms thing for the record pages. So what happens? Like you have seen the details. If you have completed till that part, you might have seen the details component. So right now, when you have inserted the detail component, it would have been all messy. Like there will be like 30, 40 fields in one go without any separate division, everything in one frame, which makes it kind of a messy without any division and all. So if I want my details span to look like more organized and I want to add more functionality to it and all the things, then what I can do, I can upgrade my page to the dynamic forms. So how will you do that? You just need to click on the details component on the canvas, and in the right hand side, you in the properties pane, you will be finding an option upgrade to dynamic forms. You need to click on that, click next, and then the page will be upgraded to the dynamic forms. And then you will get separate divisions for each type. Like you can have account information, then personal information, and XYZ things. The divisions will be there, which you can organize it according to your wishes. You want to delete some fields, you can do that. You want to add some filters, you can do that. Everything will be available over there. You want to move a particular field to completely new tab or something like that, you can do that too. So with dynamic forms, you get more accessibility and more of organization capability. So that's what dynamic forms is. So please carry on with that and let me know if you are getting stuck at any point. Everyone, if you are getting stuck at any point, let me know. Venkat, please carry forward.
You see, there is something called upgrade now. When I click on details section, you mean to say
Yeah.
that I need to click on that?
Yes, on the right hand side in the properties pane, you will see upgrade now. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Click on that.
Okay, sir. Perfect. I'll do, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, please do. Alithya, you don't need to navigate to the Future Skills Prime website for the course completion. Okay. What you need to do is that you just need to follow the trail mix that I have shared the link for. Okay. Just complete the trail mix one by one, all the modules. Okay. And that's it, nothing more. Very good, Venkat. Please keep going ahead. I hope that others are also following the same path. Venkata, I believe that you are asking about the last part. That's your work with custom lightning components. Am I right? Give me yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. That's what it is.
Okay. So it's not like that you need to complete the previous one. It's just that for that particular part, you should have the knowledge of the previous over that module that has been specified over there. So it's fine. You can move ahead. It's just about
Yes.
installing a package by the Playground Starter app, and that's it. Nothing more.
Oh, okay, 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 sir. I'll
Right?
proceed.
If you face any difficulty, let me know.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. So that's all for the day. It's coming to be 8. So if anyone have any questions, please ask right away. Otherwise, that's all for the day. We'll just wrap up the session and we'll meet in our next class. I have already shared the assignments for the day in the chat box. The module names and everything is there in the chat box. You can just take it from there and can complete the rest of the things. Just again, anyone having any questions, please put in the chat box, or else I will just wrap up the session.
So this is the only assignment we are supposed to do?
Yeah, for the cohort 3, yes.
Okay, sir. Yeah, because this was simple, just two activities were there, so that's why I was asking. Fine, sir. Yeah.
That's fine. It's simple, then that's good. But if you have time, explore other things. Who is stopping you from that? I have already told you in, I think, cohort 2 sessions also that you should try to work on some live projects if you can. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Keep yourself
Thank you,
engaged.
sir.
Leave it. No, Prasanna, we don't have any WhatsApp group. We have a Telegram group. I hope that you are there in the Telegram group. If not, then yeah, then great. That's the only thing we are having for internet connections. Telegram group. Okay, everyone. Any more questions? Okay. Prasanna, what topic list you are saying? Like the course list or what? Because if we talk about the topics, then it's just the thing. Or are you talking about the assignment for the day? See, the topics list is generally that's your trail mix. I have already shared the link. I believe that you would have followed that link. Let me share that again if you have not followed the trail mix. So you can follow up that. There is no separate topics list or anything. Okay, let me just share the trail mix link once again. This is the trail mix link which you are following for this particular cohort 3. Can you just go through it? That's the course that we are doing. That's it. Okay. Then, okay, everyone. Then that's all for the day. Thank you for joining in. Thanks for your time. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, keep studying, everyone. Thank you.